Every pineapple leather journey begins in fields shaped by patience and precision.
Only the strongest leaves are chosen to form the base of pineapple leather.
Precision harvesting preserves fiber integrity, essential for pineapple leather. Careful handling at this stage defines the quality of pineapple leather ahead. Raw pineapple leather fibers begin their passage from field to factory. Distance transforms harvest into industrial purpose for pineapple leather. Arrival marks the threshold where pineapple leather meets machinery. Every pineapple leather batch enters under controlled verification. Logistics set the pace for pineapple leather production to begin.
This facility converts agricultural waste into pineapple leather materials.
Inside, pineapple leather processing follows a precise industrial rhythm. Controlled transfer protects pineapple leather fibers from damage. The pineapple leather process unfolds within a carefully engineered space.
Preparation defines the efficiency of pineapple leather production. Initial cleaning protects pineapple leather fibers at their most fragile stage. Purity begins the refinement of pineapple leather materials.
Human judgment ensures consistency in pineapple leather quality. This marks the transition from leaf to pineapple leather fiber. Extraction transforms raw leaves into usable pineapple leather fibers. Controlled drying prepares pineapple leather fibers for transformation. Pressing shapes fibers into the first true form of pineapple leather.
Each sheet of pineapple leather carries the promise of a finished product.
Technology refines what nature provides for pineapple leather.
Tanning and conditioning give pineapple leather its signature flexibility. Precision heat transforms pineapple leather into tactile, durable material. Finishing colors pineapple leather while sealing its lasting quality. Uniform drying stabilizes pineapple leather for the next stages of creation. Pineapple leather is now ready to become shoes, wallets, and more. Every pair begins with carefully cut pineapple leather patterns. Stitching transforms pineapple leather into structured shoe uppers.
Bonding uppers and soles completes the form of pineapple leather shoes.
Final polishing perfects each pair of pineapple leather shoes.
Each pair of pineapple leather shoes is now ready for the world.
Each wallet begins with precisely cut pineapple leather panels.
Stitching unites pineapple leather panels into structured wallets.
Branding and detail give each pineapple leather wallet a distinct identity.
Every pineapple leather wallet is ready to be packaged for delivery.
Every inch of pineapple leather is scrutinized for perfection. Pineapple leather must meet exact standards of strength and flexibility.
Water and stain resistance confirm pineapple leather's practical value.
Durability tests ensure pineapple leather withstands everyday use. Pineapple leather products pass rigorous checks before heading to packaging.
Each pineapple leather product is carefully boxed for delivery. Organization ensures pineapple leather products are ready for shipment. Each shipment carries pineapple leather from factory to the world. Stored safely, pineapple leather products await their journey to customers.
And this is how modern factories produce pineapple leather from start to finish.